What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful day here in Utah. Perfect weather to work on the trucks. So in today's video, I'm going to be addressing something that I've seen actually come up 2 or 3 times this week on Facebook on some of the first gen groups. The issue that we're going to address is the hood release cable breaking. Okay, if anyone has had this happen to them or seen someone post about this happening to them, it is a nightmare. So you guys all know you have a hole here for your hood release, just like that. Mine's already popped. But anyways, that basically is a mechanical pull cable that pulls right here on this mechanism. So the issue is, if this ever breaks when the hood is closed, it is very, very difficult to get in there and open the hood so you can repair it and fix it. Usually what people end up doing is they end up just completely damaging the grill and trying to get up in there somehow and get the hood latch to release. So what I'm going to show you today is kind of a hack. Dave Livesay, he's one of the moderators on one of the Facebook groups. He came up with this. I deserve no credit for this. I'm just going to show you how to do it. He has some great ideas. He's a wealth of information. So thank you, Dave, for this idea. But here's what we're going to do. We are going to create a backup hood release cable. So in order to do this, I need to take the grill off. So let me get the grill off real quick, and then I'll bring you guys back in. I'll show you what you need to buy. It costs less than $10, and then how we're gonna hook it up. So let me get the grill off and we'll catch back up then. All right, so we have the grill off. Look how big that intercooler is. That thing is sweet. This is the first time I've had the grill off on this truck, but the grill is, it needs to be replaced. You guys have seen it's pretty damaged, so I need to replace it. But anyways, that has nothing to do with what we're doing right now. So what we're going to do is create a backup pull cable for the hood that we can have access to if the normal pull cable breaks. So what I got 4 feet of 1/16 inch steel cable. I've got 2 crimp connectors. This was 79 cents a foot. These were $1 a piece. So we're well under 10 bucks for all of this. So what we need to do, we're going to do a small loop on one end. Go. So we're going to do a fairly small loop. Now there is a special crimp tool for this. My wire cutters don't have it on there, so what I'm going to do is let me show you. I'll be right back. We're going to give this the old smack it with a hammer and screwdriver job, and that'll crimp it down nice and tight. So I'm going to do that on the concrete real quick. Now we're going to do another loop on the other side, and we'll probably do this loop just a little bit bigger. Okay. Just like that. All right, let's give it a little smack. Alright, so when you don't have the right tool for the job, a screwdriver and a hammer works about 95% of the time. So, alright, there we have it. Now let's go put it on the truck. I'll show you how to do that. So first, we're going to sneak the factory cable out right here. Now I'm just going to weave that right in there and then put the factory cable back in. Okay, so it's kind of stuck under the factory cable. Let me show you that, and you can see how it can pull that. So now what we're going to do is we are going to feed this back behind here, just like that. So fed it behind there. You can see it kind of comes out right through there. It's going to come over here, and let me demonstrate this. So we've got the hood shut. If the factory pull cable breaks, I'm going to have this, pull it, and it releases. So nice and easy. Now what I'm going to do, we've got this loop here. All I'm going to do is run the parking light right through the loop, so it kind of holds it up out of the way, and then all we have to do is put the grill back on. So this way, if you ever have the hood latch cable break, you don't even have to take the grill off. All you have to do is take this parking light out, pull the bulb out, and then fish this out of here, and you'll be able to pull it. So this is a very clever idea, honestly. I'm really impressed with this. Some may say this could be kind of a security issue, you know, people getting into your engine compartment and stealing stuff. Honestly, no one's going to know it's there. No one's going to think to even do something like that to try and break in. So this is just a fail-safe backup plan. You have to do this before your hood cable breaks, okay? If you do it after your hood cable breaks, you're on your own. I don't know any tricks to fix that. So do this now, spend the $5-6 to do it, and have that peace of mind that if that hood cable breaks, you're going to be safe. So I'm going to get the grill button back up, put her back together, and we'll be all done. All right, all buttoned back up. I've got the hood closed, so let me show you how this works. If you don't have some simple screwdriver in your truck, that's one thing you should change as well. Just keep some basic tools under one of the seats. But 2 screws hold this parking light in. There's one. There's 2. Pull the light out, pull the bulb out. We've got our cable right there around the light, and a little tug on the cable, and we can pop the hood. So there you guys have it. Very simple, fail-safe modification. No one would ever know that that was there. But if your stock pull cable ever broke, you could easily access this and open the hood again so you can fix it. So Dave, thanks for the great idea. Keep those ideas coming. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Like this video before you leave, and we'll see you guys in the next video.